Okay, I might do a video on this because this thing's a winner for me. This might be a staple in my life. Alright, so based on the comments from my last video, you want to learn how to make the protein pizza. Okay, let's go shopping, let's get the ingredients. So here I am at my kitchen. We'll call it the Abs kitchen. I rent in Santa Monica, so it is a bit of a time warp. Anyways, let's get cooking. Here are the ingredients for the dough. This one, 100 grams of egg whites. It's about 3 egg whites? Protein powder, unflavored. This is 45 grams, or 1 scoop and a half, because a scoop is 30 grams. And the flavors, well, this one, psyllium husk. 1 tablespoon of psyllium husk, 2 teaspoons of oregano, onion powder, 2 teaspoons, garlic powder, 2 teaspoons, basil, 1 teaspoon, and then salt and pepper to taste. If you want to up your game a little bit, instead of onion powder and garlic powder, caramelize some onions, roast some garlic. Caramelizing onions, it's pretty easy. Just put a little ghee, little butter, onions. You know where it says to do it for about 20 minutes? No, go like an hour and a half. Get this golden color, it smells so much better, tastes so much better. Roasted garlic, easy. Just garlic, cut the head off, put some olive oil, wrap it in foil, get it in the oven, you're ready to go. So I'm using this. I didn't forget. But 1 egg to go along with the egg whites. And for this particular pizza, I'm just gonna go basic. So I'm gonna have 1/4 cup of mozzarella cheese shredded, or 28 grams if you're really specific, and regular pizza sauce. But if you make your own pizza sauce, 1, it tastes better, and 2, if you don't add the sugar, you cut out about 3 grams of carbs. So, you know. So now I'm just gonna put the dough ingredients in a blender. It just tastes so much better. Yeah, okay. Close to baking. It's almost like pancake batter. It's not a dough, because it's just protein, fiber, and spices. I am just going to spread it pretty thin. I was preheating my oven, 350 degrees. Just place it in here. Not all ovens are the same. I'll show you what you're looking for, then you'll know how long to put in your oven. But it's between 6 and 8 minutes. Okay, so I had mine in for about 720, and this is what you want it to look like right here. Here's the dough. Okay, this is going to be the bottom half of the dough. Okay, you want this to cool down a little bit just so it settles. Then I could flip it over and it has a little crust at the end of it. So I wait about 15-20 minutes. While this was cooling down, I bumped the stove up to about 500 degrees. It's as hot as I can get it. You can get it to broil if you like. So this is dried out. Boom! Look at that crust. Alright. 1/4 cup of tomato sauce. Well, pizza sauce. This whole thing is only gonna have 17.6 grams of fat, so it's not a lot of fat, so you're going in. You don't need a pizza stone. I happen to have a pizza stone. If you want, put it on one of these and you'll be fine. But since I'm schmancy and got a pizza stone, about a minute will do ya. I said a minute, I went 90. It poofed up. But yeah, it'll settle back down. Here it is. 544 calories, 17.8 grams of fat, 20.3 grams of carbs, 74.4 grams of protein. This is the pizza I ate in a previous video, 4 days in a row. I lost 5 pounds in 7 days. Was able to enjoy this. This is my abs pizza. I'm calling it my abs pizza. Alright, so here it is. Look at that crust. It's a thin crust. but it's packed with protein. All it is protein and fiber, baby. Okay, so secret's out. This is my abs pizza. Hope you enjoy it. Have fun with it. Put whatever toppings you like. Subscribe, like it, hit the notification button, and I will see you on the next video. If you want to make your own pizza sauce, just take some cut, seeded, and peeled tomatoes and just put them in a blender for a second, pulse it up. If you're using real garlic and onions, add those in there. Otherwise, you could use garlic powder, onion powder, oregano, basil, salt, pepper to taste, and just cook it down. I forgot. This might become, I didn't forget, but 1 egg. I do work out. I'm just a lot stronger. Yeah, we'll just cut that out. I'm so much stronger than that.